Hi guys! Samahan nyo kami. Kami ay gagala. May papakita ko sa inyo ang ganda. So, gagala kami ngayon. Sasama namin kayo.
And we usually go until FD Rock. No up in the rock, but from you see the brown until the rock. This is Sassoremelo. That is Sassoremelo. This big with the trees up. With the trees up, most in the right. We have to put the jacket. Now it's cold already, it's 19 degrees.
Oh my gosh, I love this.
The most big monolith of Europe.
This is monolith.
Yes, this is all monoliths. That come here from with the ice, all this. That is the Sassoremelo. Now we stop somewhere. I don't know where.
Oh my God! Look at this.
Yeah, I know, my love. Look, my love, oh, this in the left.
Wait lang, this is so good. It's a river. It's not a falls. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Okay, yung lamig na. Malamig pala. Guys, tingnan nyo ang aking nakikitang view. Christmas tree, guys. Wait lang, here. Autumn na kami.
Still not for the trees. Because you see how many we still.
Tingnan nyo yung nakikita ko mga Christmas tree. Wait.
This I think is Valdimello.
Ayan yung mga Christmas tree. Kailangan ko i-zoom.
Muka.
What is it?
This is San Martino.
So road trip tayo ngayon, guys. Oh my God, look at this. Kung nakikita nyo lang yung nakikita ko ngayon.
Look there, look
Ganda.
there. There I went in this valley. Always.
Yes, okay.
Up there. Read.
What is it?
No, it's not this valley, you know. I don't remember what is it there. I have to tell you.
So time check is 5:09 PM.
And here don't have sun from maybe 1 hour ago I have.
So kanina pa kami nagbabiyahe. Siguro mga 1 hour na kami nagbabiyahe. Ngayon ko lang inopen yung aking cellphone, ng aking camera.
This, what we see until now is Val di Mello, here in the right. I close up.
Oh my gosh. Ano na naman siya? Nakahanap na naman ng kakausapin. Come again, wait lang, wait.
I have already pain in my knee now.
Why?
It's here.
Huh?
It's here.
We go now?
Very quickly.
So hi guys, time check. Ano oras na? Wait lang. So 5:30. Oh my God, may pimple ako. Kailangan itago. So guys, hindi nyo lang dito sa kaya ako nakaganito ang aking itsura. Malamig. Malamig dito. Hindi ko na-anticipate yung lamig. So dito pala hindi, eto pala
Who's right here?
dito pala yung 13 years ago si G at yung friend niya nagpunta dito. 13 I said.
Now for my
So my love, no need to go up. 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 Wait lang. What do you think the temperature now? Guys, itsura ko lamig na lamig ako. So lakad-lakad lang kami. Oh my God. Ano to? Tingnan nyo. Yung mga batong nahulog. Pinapa-experience sa akin ni G yung trekking. Hindi naman ako hindi man ako mahilig sa mga ganito. After pala namin dito,
we go just there, 100 meter.
wait lang. After namin dito, may pupuntahan kami parang food truck. Kasi nasa
This is important.
this is what I wanted. Food
This
truck.
is not repeat this.
Come
This
again?
is not repeat. This is Christmas tree, look. This is a Christmas tree.
Ah, wait. Oo nga. Ayan ang Christmas tree. Ayan ang Christmas tree daw. I know it's a Christmas tree.
And this is the easiest part. No. You start with 400 meters of step. Very steep.
Very steep. Steep. Steep.
Okay.
No, my shoes is not good.
No, I want to show you how is it this time. Look.
I know, my love.
No, we don't go. It's the start. But this is the easy part.
So, let me a video to walk.
But in the video they don't understand.
Yes, but show to me. So,
They don't understand how is it.
go until just there, just seeing
You
myself.
can do with this tree?
Yeah, just seeing myself. Wait lang.
But you can do until the tree? But they can't understand. I put, this is horizontal, like this. So, look.
No, I can't, my love.
Just till this tree there. Have a turn.
My shoes is
No, here you can, my love. Here.
No. So, aakyat daw siya. Hindi ko kayang umakyat, guys. Pinapa-experience sa akin, hinampak to. Medyo hindi na maganda yung aking, nag-blurred na siya. So, nandito ako sa baba. Hintayin ko na lang siya. Hindi siya hagdan eh. Paakyat talaga siya. Eh, ano pa naman ako? Hirap pa naman ako sa paakyat. Ayun na siya. Andun na siya. Ayun.
Oh, and so little. 10x, like this. Yeah, but the first is easy, after become hard. Yeah, I knew it. Here they start. The big steps. Rohan is go down there somewhere.
So, ang naririnig nyo, river yon. My love! My love, enough now there. You can go down. Hindi mo umakyat na. Ito pa naman ako. Actually, hindi ako talaga ganito. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganito. Yung aakyat ka sa mountain, magte-trekking. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. Ayun. Feeling, alam ko, binibidyohan ako. Ayun siya, oh. Binibidyohan ako, nagsasalita siya. Pero tatawanan ako ng hinampak. Ano siya, paakyat siya eh. Pataas siya. Tapos, ang lalakaran mo, mga bato-bato pa. Ayun. Sinisipulan ako. Come on! Go down! After pala nito, may pupuntahan kaming food truck. Yay! Kain na naman! What? We don't have signal here. Down, come on down. Wait lang guys ha. Ayun na siya, dumating na. Buti naman, Diyos ko Lord. Kinakabahan ako. Baka mamaya kasi, gusto niya, umikot pa hanggang ganun. Zzz. Eh, mag-isa lang siya. Eh, paano kung ma-aksidente? Tapos naghihintay ako dito ng bumalagta na pala doon. Buti na lang, Diyos ko. Ano-ano iniisip ko. Okay, stop muna tayo, guys. Meron kaming nakita. Magpapalit lang si G ng damit dahil pinagpawisan daw siya. So, meron kaming no, I don't show you. How is it the water? Oh my God, so cold. My love, this one is drinkable. Ah, wait lang. I see a coin. Ano, it's not. So, no, it's okay. Nagpapalit lang. Nag-stop lang kami dito ng dito sa gilid ng daan. Magpapalit lang si G ng damit. We go first here. To the right, and then so what is this?
This is bit for after.
And we're here in the Food Truck Festival. Food Truck Festival.
Austria Street.
Food truck.
Austria.
Food Truck Festival.
The festival Street.
But Food Truck Festival. It's a festival.
Street.
This is the same place that we went before. Yes.
It's not the same organization.
But
one is the same.
But it's the same like a...
but it's different in just one plane, one track is the same. Different track. This is what
here, look.
This is rosti. Rosti is patate. This is potato.
We try.
Yes, that's why. The speck.
I don't like speck.
My love, I don't like the other.
What is the other?
I give it already, the speck.
Burrito, tacos, nachos. Yes.
But this is more.
This, what is it? Patatina.
These are chips. This I think we passed.
What else? So that, the potato, I like that. What else?
Because if I drink, you don't stay here a lot.
But for me, look like it's a bit cold. Yes, this one is not. For me, this weather is not summer anymore for me. Oh, what is this? Hi, let's try, my love. How much? Ravioli is like a shawmai thing. I like a shawmai thing.
Yes.
I like this. We try. We do two. If it's 4 pieces. But I prefer the ravioli di carne di maiale. What is this? So we try this also? We try this also? Huh? Okay. Oh, what else? What is this? Olive. What is that? It's like the small...
7 is like 10.
I know that, but I don't like. This is the Angus. We try this and half. We do half. I like this Angus. We do half. Wait lang. Ano kayang ano? So, pipili lang kami, guys.
We don't want that.
The second one?
The first.
Oh, okay.
There's always barbecue.
But
this is
for me, it's okay. The Angus is what I like. So, natingin-tingin pa kami ng mga pwedeng kainin.
naman eh.
It's okay, my love. No need. No need. Go to near. Me. You do?
Is the zenzero for sure?
That's why I said to you if you
But
like
it's
the
good.
zenzero.
I like. The meat is good too. The meat is good. Zenzero do the touch different. Sì, tranquilla. The zenzero do the touch
but
good.
I prefer the soy sauce have the lemon or the calamansi. Try.
But they do the zenzero for this. You do? Still
Okay,
do the video.
You wanted more? To video? So, hati kami ni G. So, what is inside?
Tu quando vai in queste parti paghi anche l'ingresso, invece qua l'ingresso è libero,
Salsa cacio e pepe.
Ah,
Bacon,
Oh, no.
bacon.
ito.
Grano.
So, it's not the usual burger. Because you have the cacio and pepe. Hating kapatid naman kami ulit. Ano siya? Potato with the speck is like a prosciutto.
But it's speck is speck.
Yeah, it's the somehow.
No, it's not. It's not like prosciutto
Ego
crudo.
no.
It's not like prosciutto cotto. It's speck. They season the up.
Wait.
One melon. One full.
So instead of bread, it's a potato. So it's good.
Rostipurg Tirolese. Tirolese means Tirol is a region in a region. It's like Brianza for the Normandy.
Nandito na pala kami sa sasakyan. Ah, yes, this is good. So, salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Thank you for watching. Papauwi na pala kami. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe. My love, say bye-bye. Nandito pala kami sa loob ng tunnel.